Hello and welcome back to CanPetEat.com, where we help you determine which foods your pet can and cannot eat. In this video, we are going to answer the question, can dogs eat Funyuns? In this video, we will explain exactly what Funyuns are, why dogs can or cannot eat them, and more. We'll also share with you a few foods that are similar that they should absolutely stay away from. So, be sure to watch this entire video to learn if your dog can eat Funyuns. Be sure to like, subscribe, and paw the bell icon to be notified when we upload a new video. Also, click the first link in the description for a free guide to train your dog. Question of the day: what has your dog gotten into that scared the daylights out of you? Comment below and your comment may be pinned and featured in a future video. Many people ask, can dogs eat Funyuns? The answer to that question is yes, but it can be hazardous for the dog. Fruity snacks can cause a great deal of stomach pain and can even lead to pancreatitis in some cases. Dogs can get dehydrated from not drinking enough water because their appetite will decrease significantly. This is why owners need to remember to take care of their pets while they're having fun with this tasty treat. What are Funyuns? Funyuns are onion-flavored rings that can be eaten as a snack or side dish. They can also be used to top nachos, burgers, and more. Funyuns can serve as a good source of fiber for dogs too. A bag can contain up to 3% dietary fiber, 11% of the daily recommended value. Fiber helps promote healthy digestion in both dogs and humans alike, so it's always best to check with your veterinarian if you want them before feeding them Funyuns, just in case there are any allergies or sensitivities involved. Food family of Funyuns. The food family of Funyuns includes wheat flour, water, corn oil, salt, and onion powder. In addition to that, the food manufacturers add yeast extract as a flavor enhancer. All these ingredients are safe for dogs, but there is one ingredient called monosodium glutamate, MSG. MSG can be dangerous if consumed by dogs because it will make them addicted to foods containing this additive, which means they could start overeating, leading to obesity or even pancreatitis. On top of all, these unhealthy eating habits caused by MSG may also lead to cancer in some cases where dogs have been given too many supplements. It's not recommended to feed your dog treats made from human-grade beef since our pets cannot digest proteins found in meat such as beef, lamb, or fish. Can dogs eat Funyuns? Yes, Funyuns are good for dogs. However, Funyuns have an onion flavor to be a little strong for some dogs' sensitive stomachs. They also include grease and salt in their ingredients list, which is not something that all dogs will enjoy eating. On the plus side, Funyuns contain no artificial flavors or colors, preservatives, or MSG, making them one of the healthier snack options. Best ways to feed your dog Funyuns. Feeding your dogs in beneficial ways can be achieved through these steps. Add a little bit of water to the bag to make it easier for them to eat. Dogs can eat Funyuns if they are given in moderation. The best way to feed them is by adding a little bit of water to the bag, which will help break up some of the chips and make it easier for dogs to eat with their mouths instead of using paws that may be less dexterous than human hands. They also shouldn't have too many because each chip is high in fat and sodium content. Dogs need healthy food like fruits and veggies and protein-rich treats like rawhide bones, lean meats, or grilled chicken breast quarters. Those who want more information on what types of foods are good for dogs should visit their veterinarian for specific diets based on age, weight, activity level, and overall health conditions. Mix with other dog food to make it more interesting. To make Funyuns more enticing, you can mix them with other dog foods to make an interesting treat for your canine friend. Unfortunately, Funyuns are extremely dry, so they provide less challenge than some other snacks or treats. For this reason, mixing them in with wet food is recommended, as the Funyuns will absorb the moisture from the wet food and become more flavorful over time. Cut into smaller pieces for easier chewing and swallowing. You can cut Funyuns into small pieces for your dog to easily eat. Funyuns are made with cornmeal, flour, and water. They contain no artificial colors or flavors like many other chips on the market today do. Funyuns also include onion powder as an ingredient, which is good for dogs because onions offer health benefits such as improving liver function, which can help prevent cancer, and warding off fleas by repelling them away from your pooch's body. Funyun rings are recommended in moderation since they contain sodium bisulfate, a preservative that may be bad if consumed too often. Add an egg to the recipe for extra protein. You can add an egg to Funyuns recipe for extra protein. Funyuns and eggs together will help your dog in many ways. Funyuns and eggs together can be helpful in several different ways. For example, eggs are a good source of protein that helps build muscles, while Funyun snacks contain carbohydrates that provide energy for dogs' daily activities or exercises. Reasons why dogs can eat Funyuns. The crunchiness of Funyuns is very tempting for dogs. There are several reasons why dogs can eat Funyuns. Some other factors include: easy to digest. Funyuns are made with corn and potatoes, so dogs can actually digest the food. There are, however, a few ingredients that can be harmful to dogs. For example, the yeast extract in Funyuns contains high amounts of purines, which are linked to health problems in some dog breeds. The food also has onion powder and garlic powder, which could harm your dog if eaten regularly or excessively. Additionally, it's important not to let your pup eat too much salt because it will cause excessive thirst and urinary crystals inside their body when they drink more water than usual due to all this extra salt consumption. Contain no sugar or salt. Dogs are not allowed to eat any food that contains sugar or salt. Therefore, contain no sugar or salt. Funyuns do not fall into this category. Therefore, dogs can indeed eat Funyuns. Although it is okay for your dog to have a few Funyuns now and then as a treat, they should never be given the full bag at once. The reason being is because they contain high levels of phosphorus, which could lead to serious problems if consumed in large amounts over time, such as joint pain and bone weakness. If you are worried about how many Funyuns are too much for them, I suggest only giving one every other day maximum so that their body has time to break down the excess phosphorus before ingesting another. Small amounts of natural preservatives. The Funyuns brand is a salty snack chip commonly enjoyed as a side dish with soups and salads. In addition to small amounts of natural preservatives, the Funyuns recipe also includes large doses of onions. The flavor combination offers many benefits for dogs that enjoy consuming this type of treat from time to time. Lower risk for diabetes in Funyuns. Lower risk of diabetes in dogs can be achieved by allowing them to eat Funyuns. This is because the ingredients of this snack provide nutrients and vitamins that help lower blood sugar levels and prevent other health issues related to diabetes, such as neuropathy, retinopathy, and hypertension. Great training treats. Funyuns make great training treats because they're soft and easy to chew on. In addition, Funyuns can help with food aggression issues as dogs don't seem to fight over them like most other snacks. They also come in various flavors, so you can use different ones for each treat session if desired. However, it is best not to give too many Funyuns per day as the salt content is fairly high, leading to health problems down the road, including urinary stones. As long as your dog isn't overweight or has kidney disease, it's safe to give him some now and again. Possible concerns when eating Funyuns. Common reactions that your dog may experience when they are reactive to Funyuns include: nausea. Nausea is not fun for anyone. If your dog is sick, you probably already know about it. But if they eat Funyuns and get nauseous, what should you do? Feeding dogs human food can be dangerous sometimes. Although most people are under the impression that their four-legged friends love to snack on junk food just as much as they enjoy eating kibble at mealtimes, this isn't always true. In fact, many humans' foods are actually poisonous or toxic to dogs, and some of them pack quite a punch in terms of how quickly their effects take hold. Vomiting. If your dog is vomiting after eating Funyuns, this could indicate that they are not suitable for dogs. Dogs can vomit for many different reasons, including food poisoning or an allergic reaction to foods like onions and garlic found in the onion-flavored rings. Diarrhea. A dog may experience diarrhea after eating Funyuns. This is because of the onion powder, which contains sulfoxides and disulfide, which are very irritating to pets' stomachs, according to VCA Animal Hospital. In addition to diarrhea, dogs may also experience vomiting after eating Funyuns because of their high fiber content. Onions are also dangerous for dogs' health and can cause damage to their red blood cells, which causes anemia, according to PetMD. So it is best not to give your dog this snack even if they beg a lot. Signs your dog is sick from eating Funyuns. Funyuns are an acquired taste. As a result, if any of these symptoms appear, it is time for your dog to see the veterinarian. Excessive salivation. Your dog may have a serious case of excessive salivation when faced with a bag of Funyuns. Eating these onion-flavored snacks may cause more than just your dog's mouth to water, though. Excessive puffy snacks are potentially dangerous for dogs. So it would be best if you offered a little bit. Irritation. Irritation of the mouth and throat is a common side effect of eating Funyuns. If your dog has eaten a large amount or has an existing health condition, this could put them at risk for more serious problems like stomach irritation and ulcers, which could result in vomiting blood. Abdominal pain. Abdominal pain is the symptom often associated with eating too many Funyuns. But, of course, abdominal pain can also be caused by other issues. Still, it's important to note that if you are experiencing abdominal pain after consuming this snack food, there may be something else in your body. What to do if your dog is sick from eating Funyuns? If your dog has eaten Funyuns and is experiencing symptoms like upset stomach, vomiting, or diarrhea, you can do some things. Firstly, it's important to know what ingredients in the dog food will help them get back to health quickly without making their condition worse. Ingredients such as pumpkin, raw, rice bran, kelp powder, and oat flour may all be helpful depending on how much of a reaction they had from eating the snacks plus any other food/ingredients they have consumed recently. If a home remedy fails, contact your veterinarian. Avoid these similar foods from this family. So, what are the food groups that this family should be avoided? Flamin' Hot Cheetos. Flamin' Hot Cheetos are a popular snack food made by Frito-Lay. According to Snopes, the hot flavor of Flamin' Hots is derived from cayenne pepper and should not be a problem for a small dog. However, this type of flavored cornmeal product may cause negative side effects even in small amounts if your dog happens to have any sensitivities or health problems that spicy foods or similar substances can magnify. Hot Cheetos. You might have found yourself enjoying the cheesy, crinkly goodness of Cheetos, but did you know they can be harmful if eaten by your dog? The reason for this is the ingredients. The ingredients in Cheetos are not good for dogs because they can make them really sick. For example, cheese powder contains salt, which is bad for dogs to eat too much salt. Another problem is the preservatives, which are unhealthy for people and animals. Last but not least, xanthan gum may cause bloating. Onion rings. Onions are vegetables that can be used for cooking purposes. However, they are also rich in sulfur, which is dangerous to dogs. Onion poisoning in dogs occurs when a dog ingests enough of the vegetable on an empty stomach. A small amount may not affect your dog, whereas excessive amounts could cause serious problems and even death. Safe amount of Funyuns a dog can eat before getting sick. A dog can eat a small amount of Funyuns without having any negative effects. However, if your dog eats more than the recommended serving size, he may become ill or even die as a result. The safe limit for dogs is 100 grams per kilogram body weight, and 1 ounce should only be given every 5 days to 10 days, depending on their breed and overall health condition. To sum up, Funyuns are a family of food that includes chips, popsicles, and other things. Dogs can eat these foods but should do so in small amounts to avoid getting sick. Keep your dog safe by feeding them this delicious snack only once every few days or just sharing it with them when you have some extra leftovers. You may be wondering what the best way to feed your pet these salty treats is. It's simple. Give them 1 chip at a time and make sure they don't gulp down too many pieces before giving their body time to feel full. If you notice any signs of sickness, Call for emergency help right away because dogs can get very ill from eating too many Funyuns all at once. Hopefully, we've helped you decide if the food was safe to eat. If we did, be sure to check out a free guide to turn your good doggy into a great doggo. Also, comment below if you'd like us to help you determine if your pet can eat other types of foods. Disclaimer: Can Pet Eat does not intend to provide veterinary advice. We go to great lengths to help users better understand their dogs. However, the information provided is not a substitute for veterinary guidance. Please be advised we are not veterinarians. Always consult your veterinarian.